Let's talk about the 5 biggest goal setting mistakes you might be making right now. See, it's not about a lack of ambition. It's all about the approach. First up, you're setting goals that look good to other people, not the ones you actually want for yourself. It's all about their approval, not your fulfillment. Number 2, look, motivation always fades. It's just a feeling, not a real strategy. So when it's gone, if you don't have a system to fall back on, you're going to stop. Okay, number 3. This is a big one. You're checking for results way too soon, and then you get discouraged and quit. It's like digging up a seed every day to see if it's growing. You've got to let things develop. The fourth mistake. You're setting way too many goals. Your focus is a finite thing, right? If you spread it too thin, nothing really gets the attention it needs to succeed. And finally, number 5. This is what paralyzes so many people. If you don't know the very first tiny action you need to take, the whole goal just feels overwhelming, and you never even start. Follow the channel. Tomorrow's video might be the one that changes something for you.